May I come in?
Come.
Thank you. May I have a seat?
You are Mr.
Ashwin Golapkar.
Sit down. I would like to call you Ashwin.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. We know one Ashwin who
Yeah.
bowls carom ball.
Yes, sir.
You know him
Yes.
personally?
No.
Sit down. We all talk as if we know them personally. Okay. What's your optional?
History, sir.
History.
Yes, sir.
And your medium of this thing is English, right?
Yes, sir.
And this is your 5th attempt.
Yes, sir.
And how many times the interview?
Second time, sir.
What happened? Last year also you appeared?
No, 2017 I appeared,
How
sir.
much did you get?
147
Oh, with the same optional.
with the same optional.
Okay.
You missed by how many marks?
18.
8.
18, 1-8.
1-8 is quite a thing. एक mark से बहुत रह जाते हैं भैया. You have to do this time. You have done better. Your optional.
Yes, sir.
Optional is history. Okay. Now tell me, you are from which district?
Navi
Thane.
Mumbai, sir. Thane district. Thane district.
Oh, Navi Mumbai. Okay. There's a new airport coming up.
Yes, sir.
Huh? Have they named it? Not yet.
Not yet, sir.
Okay. How is it coming up? I mean the progress.
Sir, actually, the land acquisition is still going on.
Still going on.
Yes, sir.
There's a hillock case also. The hill, some portion was to be
Yes.
removed. They have done that.
They have done that.
They have
The levels, the surfacing of this, the airport is going on. The
Mhm.
smooth surface they have to make,
Mhm.
and plus some mangroves are in the way, so they will have to clear that also.
Okay. So are we as per schedule or
No, sir,
lagging behind?
we are behind.
We are
behind.
Maybe they'll pick up. Now tell me, once this airport comes up, what happens to the old one? The so-called Santa Cruz? What do you call that? No, Shivaji. right?
Chhatrapati Shivaji.
Chhatrapati Shivaji.
Sir, basically this new airport is to decongest the old one, which is the
That means both will be in operation.
both will be in
That's
operation.
the implication. No?
Yes, sir.
Decongestion means that,
Yes, sir.
isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Achha, good. Now tell me, you are from Bombay, Thane, almost as good as Bombay. A big Shivaji statue is coming up.
Yes, sir.
Where is it coming up?
It's in Mumbai. It's basically slightly. It's on an island from Dadar, Mumbai.
Okay, what is likely to be the height of this?
Sir, projected height is around 218 meters.
280.
Yes, sir.
280?
Yes, sir.
What is the height of the Sardar Patel statue in Gujarat?
Sir, I don't have any idea about.
Are you sure 280 or 100 and something? Anyway, what is the position now? And the environmental issues were there, no?
Yes, sir.
What sort of environmental issue? A statue is a statue.
Sir, basically that the area is surrounded by the fisherman community,
Okay.
and the island, which will be a man-made island, there will be a reclamation of to prepare that, to make that island. So the fisherman community has its suspicion that this will affect the environment.
Suspicion. It is only a suspicion, or you also think there is some truth in what they fear? Is it a
Sir,
reasonable fear or no?
So it's some of it is true, that environmental impact assessment has been done, and some impact will be there on the economy,
No,
but
the economy in what sense?
on the fishermen's daily livelihood.
That is, be more very specific.
The catch, the fish.
The catch, that is the key thing, no? For
Yes,
a
sir.
fisherman, the catch is most important.
Right, sir.
If his catch is likely to be affected, there is little sense, obviously they'll be concerned.
Yes, sir.
Ah,
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now you did electrical engineering, right?
Yes, sir.
From where?
Father Agnel College of Engineering
Where is that?
in Navi Mumbai.
Navi Mumbai. This comes under University of
Mumbai, yes, sir.
Achha. Okay, tell us something about this. Father, you said. Father, no?
Father Consequio
Christian.
Rodriguez.
What was he, Rodriguez?
Sir,
Who was he and what is contribution or whatever?
Sir, Father Consequio Rodriguez was a Christian missionary.
Good.
He actually fought in the Goan freedom of struggle.
Goan.
Yes. and he fought against his home country, the Portugal. He was a Portuguese, but he fought against his home country, so that made him special. And he established our college in 1984. We had similar colleges in Goa, Mumbai as well as Delhi.
And Delhi also?
Yes, sir.
Where is in Delhi? I never heard of this.
Sir, actually I don't know the exact address of
You
the
heard of this in Delhi? I have not heard of. Anyway, that's all right. Now you did electrical engineering.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the difference between electrical and electronics engineering? Is there a difference?
Yes, sir.
How is the difference?
Sir, electrical engineering basically concerns about the production of the electricity and transmission. Basically, it is connected with more amount of current and voltages.
More amount of, why you are a technical man, use some technical words. More current, is that the right term? Eh?
Uh,
How about voltage? Use the word voltage.
Voltage.
Come on. What sort of voltage is the cutoff between electrical and electronics?
Sir, I'm not aware of
You are
it.
not aware.
No, sir.
Okay. Now, what are the various sources of power generation in our country?
Sir, most of the power is generated from thermal.
No. What are different sources first, and then for each, what is the share? Okay, thermal, what percentage is it?
Sir, around 78%.
78.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and then
Then comes hydro,
how much?
sir, 10 to 12%.
10 to 12. Okay, and then
Then is renewable energy.
how much?
Sir, don't exact know about
What
the
do you understand
percentage.
by renewable energy?
So renewable energy includes the sources which are renewed or which are non-replenishable.
It was non-replenishable.
So it
Then-
includes solar, wind
Okay,
as
and
well
then
as
what is the last other source?
nuclear, sir.
Nuclear.
Around
What is our
2%.
share?
2%.
2% only.
Yes.
We have any plant in, where do we have these nuclear power plants?
Sir, we have one in Mumbai, Tarapur, Kalpakkam, then we have Kudanukulam, Rawat Bhata.
Where is that? One more is likely to come up, no?
Yes, Jaitapur.
Eh?
Jaitapur.
Where is that?
In, sir, it's in Ratnagiri.
Ratnagiri.
Yes.
But there are some objection to that, no?
Yes, sir.
What sort of objection?
Sir, actually the objection is regarding the type of the reactor. The reactor which is going to be used in Jaitapur is similar one that was there in Fukushima, and the experience with the Fukushima was not
When
good.
was that?
Uh,
When did it happen in Japan? The leakage or whatever, the tragedy.
it's 2012, sir, I think.
So they must have taken some steps to take care of that. No?
Yes, sir. The second,
Okay, last question. What are your hobbies like?
sir, I like to read on Maratha history books.
What? Only regional thing. Eh? Okay, what book have you read lately?
Sir, the last book I read was Panipat.
Panipat.
Yes.
Good. Who has written that?
Sir, Vishwas Patil.
Okay. I mean, does he discuss all the three battles, or he discuss
No, only
some aspect?
third battle of Panipat. It
Yeah,
is.
okay. It was fought between whom?
Marathas and Abdali, sir.
Who won and what happened?
Sir, Abdali won the war in 1761. It was a defeat, it was a crushing defeat for Marathas, and Maratha power could not, after that, rejuvenate in India, and that's why British took the advantage of it and established their empire in India.
Gulab, Ashwin, it's interesting that you are interested in the Marathi history. But what fascinates? What is fascinating about? Thank you, sir. What after?
Sir, the first thing that is fascinated about Maratha history is the appropriate study, according to me, has not been done to the various to cover them.
That's very interesting. Why do you think that the appropriate study has not been done? That's very, very interesting.
Sir, because in medieval history, most of the time people try to connect only the Delhi Sultanate as well as Mughal Empire.
Okay.
But they try, I think they forget about the Maratha history, which was also important part of the medieval history, and which was prominent rulers once upon a time in India.
Ashwin, if you don't mind, I would like to just endorse what the chairman said. Does it not sound a little regional or chauvinistic? Don't mind, I mean, just a natural question.
Yeah.
Uh, Sir, I would like to differ with
Yeah,
that,
please.
because Marathas were not only regional. It started as a regional because Shivaji established their first kingdom or Hindavi Swaraj in Maharashtra. But later on, the many parts of India Marathas conquered, including once upon a time they used to call it as Atak to Katak, from Pakistan to Odisha.
Okay.
So we cannot call it as only Maharashtra. Second, all the regional confederacies of Marathas, they once upon a time, right from Indore, Holkar, Scindias in Gwalior. So it's pan-India phenomenon. And I think the Hindavi Swaraj that was established by Shivaji later helped even the Indian National Congress to establish, or Lokmanya Tilak to come up with the concept of Swaraj.
Okay.
So I think it has a national
Okay, good.
importance.
Keeping aside the controversies, what are your thoughts as a historian, as a history scholar? Of course, it's two reasons. But how would you place the Delhi riots in the history? Your thoughts?
Sir, I think it is really unfortunate because once upon a time in 1857, Hindus and Muslims fought shoulder to shoulder against Britishers in Delhi. So, and even in 1857, when the revolt actually started in Meerut, and the Indian soldiers, they declared Bahadur Shah Zafar, who was a Muslim Mughal king ruler, as their emperor and not any Hindu ruler, because it represented, they thought that it would represent a sovereignty. So I think it is unfortunate that it has happened.
So what should be done? Going forward.
Sir, going forward, there should be
No, supposing, later on you are the Commissioner of Police or the Home Secretary, looking ahead, how would you have responded to this? There is a criticism.
yes, sir. Sir, I think first thing was, I think it was major intelligence failure also,
Okay.
because if that kind of thing was going to happen, somebody in the intelligence should have reported it first. The second thing is, I think the response of the police could have been more quicker, and if the police was not sufficient, we should have already taken some help from CRPF as well as military if it is
Good.
now required.
Now, going to the international arena, Taliban, we understand, we read from the papers that an agreement has been reached with the Taliban.
Yes, sir.
So again, as a scholar of history, so looking back,
Right.
so what are your thoughts, briefly, on the accord, US-Taliban accord?
Okay. Sir, it is said that Taliban is a graveyard of empires,
Okay.
because
Taliban or Afghanistan?
Afghanistan, sorry, I am very sorry.
Okay, go ahead.
Afghanistan was a graveyard of empires because nobody could succeed. Even the Russians, mighty Russians tried, in the Soviet Union tried to conquer Afghanistan, but they could not be successful. It is that part which has a most tribal influence, and they are divided on the basis of that, and they want their own rule. They are very proud of their own rule in that area. So I think that this talk which is going on with Taliban, India should only participate in it if it is Afghan led and Afghan controlled talk. And if Afghanistan government, which is democratically elected government, is going to participate in it, because it has repercussions on Indian security also. If the Taliban tomorrow conquers the government once again, it will be extremism.
Sorry to cut you short, but looking back, what do you think are the achievements of US having fought so long, engaged with Afghanistan for this long? I think it's how many? I mean, almost 15, 16 years?
Yes, sir.
Or more than that? 18, 19 years? It's a
Sir,
long engagement.
right, yes, sir.
The first and 2 decades almost.
Right.
So what are the major achievements from the US point of view? Have they achieved anything at all?
Sir, I think the achievements are there. I think today Afghanistan is run by democratically elected government.
Yeah.
That is the first achievement. Second, the killing of the major insurgent or extremist terrorist, especially like Bin Laden, because he was forced to fled from Afghanistan
Okay.
and he found shelter in the Pakistan. So that was, I think, the main.
US president is reported to have said that we have got commitments from Taliban. What are the commitments that the president is talking about?
So the first commitment that Taliban has made is the ceasefire or no violence for the period of 7 days at least. They are going to start it from 7 days.
Okay.
And I think Taliban has agreed to participate democratically, but I'm not very sure about the second point.
Now on the power front, Ashwin, you are basically an electrical engineer. What are the major ills afflicting the power sector in India?
Sir, I think the first is the debt-ridden power distribution companies.
Why are they debt-ridden? What's the problem?
Sir, the first thing is their operations are not very efficient.
Okay.
The second thing is they have to reach to the very ground level and the village level also to ensure that 100% rural electrification happens, and it basically does not give them profit. So
Ashwin, what are the fundamental duties of an Indian citizen?
sir, obedience towards constitution,
Okay.
our monuments and our national flag. The second thing is
It also says uphold the ideals which inspired the freedom struggle. Rather abstract. What do you mean upholding the ideals which inspired the freedom? What are those ideals?
sir, those ideals were basically truth, non-violence, and
What were the priorities of Gandhiji, the father of the nation? Broadly speaking, what were the priorities for Gandhiji?
so broadly speaking, his principles were basically two: truth and non-violence. But he also said about trusteeship. He also said about universal basic education for all.
In the context of the Delhi riots.
Hindu-Muslim unity.
So how did he go about practicing this, Gandhiji? Any idea?
Sir,
Because Gandhiji always practiced.
right. Sir, I think basically Gandhiji started Hindu-Muslim unity principle from the Khilafat Andolan in 1920. So basically it was a cause of the Ottoman Empire, but Indian Muslims were very attached towards the cause. So he supported them. The second thing is for Hindu-Muslim unity, he made many satyagrahas. Even when
Daily was that in his prayer meetings he used to do something. In the famous prayer meetings, Gandhiji used to do something. Because for him, things were a matter of daily practice, not a one-off event. In his prayer meetings, he used to read from 3 texts, holy texts. What are they? Any idea?
So can I have a guess?
Yes, take a guess.
Quran,
Yes.
Bible,
Hmm.
and maybe Bhagavad Gita.
Maybe Bhagavad Gita. Okay. Sir.
Yeah, Mr. Ashwin.
Yes,
Were
sir.
you born in the month of Ashwin?
No, sir.
It has nothing to do with that.
No, sir.
Okay. So as we all know, that farmer suicide in most of the parts of the Maharashtra is much more as compared to any other state. So in other states also farmers are very poor. So what's the reason for that? Number one, and what government has done so far related with that, and what, in your opinion, should be done to solve that problem? Reasons,
Right. Sir,
government efforts, and then your opinion, what else?
sir, first the reasons for the farmer suicides. The first thing is the spiraling of debt. The second thing is the diminishing income from agriculture. The third thing is the lack of irrigation, especially in Marathwada and Vidarbha area. And the fourth thing is the social evils like dowry, alcohol, etc. So these are the reasons.
Okay.
The government, the second question was the government response to it. The first thing is successive governments have given farmer loan waiver to the farmers. The second thing is the irrigation facilities, especially Maharashtra government's Jal Yukt Shivar Yojana, farm ponds to every farm, and
Sorry, I didn't get it. Huh?
ponds,
Okay.
farm ponds to every farm. The third, what Maharashtra government has done is consulting through various psychologists not to make such drastic decision with life. And fourth thing is Maharashtra government has tried to implement very strictly the dowry prohibition as well as social awareness campaigns.
Okay.
So, and the third question was how.
What else, in your opinion, should be done?
Okay. Sir, rather than loan waivers, more frequent loan waivers, my suggestion would be to establish one National Commission of Farmers that will take care from the seeds to the export. So all that farmer related decision should not be a very need not be a very populist decision, but very thoughtful decision and very long term and medium term target kind of decisions.
You are already a bureaucrat. Committee, commissions, and omission. Good.
What else?
The second thing is the irrigation percentage in Maharashtra is only 18 to 19%. That needs to be increased to at least 90%.
90% what? What did you say? Sorry, I could not.
The irrigation percentage from
Okay.
19% needs to be increased at least to 90%.
Okay.
Why not 100%?
Because a 10% area will come under cities. So the rest all should be, it should be irrigated. The third thing is this has to be these need to be tackled through psychologically also. The psychologist, the 24-hour helpline should be started, and there should be a reward who will if someone is in depression or some kind of thing, that should be sorted. It should not be a it should not be a taboo in the society.
Okay, in the budget related with Maharashtra, recently, supplementary grant amounting to rupees approximately 18,740 crore, 18,740 crores approximately, that has been earmarked, out of which 15,000 crore has been earmarked only for crop loan waiving the farmers.
Yes.
So what are your views? Is it a right step to waive the crop loan up to that very amount, 15,000 rupees 15,000 crore, or should this amount had been invested towards irrigation facility, as you have said, subsidy in the imports like fertilizers, seeds, availability of power subsidy there also, would that have been the better approach, or waiving the loan amounting to rupees 15,000 crore? That's the right step. Which one is better? You know about this?
Yes.
Rupees 15,000 crore out of 18,740 as supplementary grant have been earmarked for this crop loan.
Sir, I think in a short term it is required for farmers to immediately come out of the debt, because otherwise the farmer suicide will in short term will increase.
Mhm.
But as I said, it needs to be tackled in a very long term approach. That's why the National Commission of Farmers, I think, National Commission of Agriculture would help, because it should not be a populist measure and government after government needs to be done.
Okay, so one-time measure is okay in your
One time,
opinion.
yes.
Okay, coming to next Panipat battle. So third, you have already discussed, and related with first two. One in which year between whom?
Uh,
And second in which year?
So first war of Panipat happened in 1526.
That's right.
Between Babur and Ibrahim Lodi.
That's right.
The second happened in 1556
Mhm.
between Akbar and Hemu, and the third,
Okay, so Mughal Samraj was established.
yes sir, because
Mughal
of
emperor was established in 1526. Huh?
1526.
Okay. So now you tell me, you might be very well aware of the 5 gems of Emperor Akbar. Can you name them? How many of them can you name out of 9?
Sir, Birbal was one.
Birbal,
Tansen,
Tansen, right?
the one who wrote Aini Akbari, I forgetting his name.
Faisal, Faiz, Mullah Do
Abul
Pyada,
Fazl.
Abul Fazl,
Abul
Mullah Do
Fazl.
Pyada,
Mullah Do.
Abdul Rahim Khan Khana, Raja Todarmal, Man Singh. Anyway, you might be knowing about Todarmal.
Yes sir.
So related with what? What was his contribution, which is followed even now in
The
the
revenue.
administration related with revenue? So what exactly that was?
Sir, Dashala system was started by Todarmal.
What is that?
Dashala system is the average of 10 years, the revenue average of 10 years, and dividing the land in various categories and fixing the rates accordingly, according to the local markets, not the central.
Okay, what else?
Sir, also he established Karori system, the revenue blocks amounting to rupees 1 crore, and
1 crore.
1 crore. So the revenue, revenue should be properly calculated accordingly.
Okay, what do you mean between epidemic disease and pandemic disease? Epidemic disease and pandemic.
Sir, I don't have. Sir, can I have a guess on this? Pandemic disease are the worldwide, the spread over
Worldwide or spread in so many
countries.
so many continents. Huh?
continents.
Anyway, so this disease, coronavirus, or we can say COVID-19, is it pandemic or epidemic?
Sir, it is a pandemic disease, but WHO has not declared it pandemic
That's right. Huh?
till
So
now.
far.
Anyway, so now you tell me the pandemic diseases which have occurred during past few decades.
Sir, again, can I have a
5-6
guess?
decades. Okay, no problem. So
Ebola?
how this? Anyway, how this coronavirus or COVID-19 has affected the trade world over and related with our country particularly world over? How has it affected? How much? And related with our country?
Sir, I'll start with the negatives. It has, the Sensex yesterday only came down 10,000 points below because of the coronavirus. The second thing is it has disturbed the supply chains because China is a manufacturer of the world, and that's why our imports have been affected, especially in the field of electronics, especially mobile phones.
Electronics. What else?
Even the pharmaceutical industry has been affected.
Yeah. What else? Right.
Textile also?
So I'm not sure about textile.
Fertilizers?
Okay, go on.
Fertilizers.
What else? Anyway, so and world over, this is related with India. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Mhm.
And sir, I think the positives also are there. For example, we got cheaper oil because of the coronavirus.
How?
The cargoes which were there for China, they could not reach China because of the coronavirus and the production cut, and we have purchased in a spot market which is way lower than the actual price. So it has benefited India also. Secondly, we can take advantage from it. The companies are, maybe our production is lower coming out of China, they can invest in India also.
Okay, related with electrical engineering, 0 watt bulb. Why it is called 0 watt bulb? Doesn't consume electricity at all.
Sir, it is not actually a 0 watt bulb. Maybe it is called 0 watt bulb because it is the lowest available consumption
At that point of time when it was discovered.
But it is I think it's 12 watt or 8
Yeah,
watt.
yeah, it is 12 or 13 watt
bulb.
here.
Bulb
But nowadays 12, 13 watt
is more.
is also a very
Yes,
big
thing.
we can, if we use LED, then 12, 30 means something. Anyway, another question. What do you mean by EMU trains? EMU train.
Sir,
Electric multiple units. Now, what do you mean by electric multiple units? Electric multiple units. And these trains were started running between Delhi, Ghaziabad, Delhi about 20-25 years back. So,
sir, I not have
anyway, Train 18, you might be knowing about Train 18, Vande Bharat.
Vande Bharat. Yes, sir.
How many Train 18s are there at present? Or Vande Bharat rather, Train 18. तो पहला नाम हो गया. Now Vande Bharat. How many Vande Bharat trains are there?
Sir,
Anyway, is that engineless train?
sir, it's not. I think it's not engineless, but it
Then?
runs on CNG.
CNG? No. It is
CNG.
having self-propelled coach. Now you tell me, what do you mean by self-propelled coach? Self-propelled coach it is having. It's engineless. No question of CNG at all.
Is it imported engine or within the country we produce this?
Where we
Any
built
idea?
this? In which?
Any idea? No.
No, sir.
Chalo. He
Okay.
doesn't know.
Ashwin, you are a student of history and you've also written that you like to read books on Maratha history.
Yes, sir.
So can you explain me the history behind the movie Tanaji?
Okay. Sir, in
Which is the fort involved in that movie? Have you seen the movie?
yes, sir.
Which is the fort?
Kondana.
It's in which district?
Sir, it's in Pune district.
Pune.
Yes, sir.
Huge.
Sir, basically after the Treaty of Purandar, which Shivaji signed with Mirza Raja Jai Singh, Shivaji had to give all his 23 forts to Mughals, especially Aurangzeb. And when Shivaji went to Delhi, and later his escape, is a famous escape from the Mughal capture, he had to take back all the forts. So one by one he took it. The fort of Kondana, which was considered as a gateway to the south, was taken by Subedar Tanaji Malusre, and this is the story depicted in the movie.
Our ex-general Mr. Bipin Rawat, he had done a special mention of this movie. Can you explain the aspect behind it? Why he specifically mentioned that all army people should watch this movie?
I can have a guess about this. He must have mentioned it because the guerrilla warfare technique has been depicted in that movie very nicely. And second thing is kind of relevant because India's surgical strike in Balakot.
You have taken marketing majors as your subject and you have done it from IIM Indore also. 2-3 days back a video of Apple has got viral showing its latest technology regarding the new phones which Apple is going to launch or probably going to launch in another 1 year. Can you explain what technology changes they are depicting in that video? Have you seen that video?
No, sir. I haven't.
Okay. Since you have been an engineering student, electrical engineering student, I'll ask only one question. Can you explain what is dash charging? Most of our phones are having dash chargers now.
No, sir.
Okay. Since your mother and father both belong to Ratnagiri,
Yes, sir.
can you explain how Ratnagiri is linked with GI tag?
Yes, sir. Ratnagiri is linked with GI tag because of the two fruits. One is Alfonso mango and the second is kokum.
Okay. Recently, Lotus was in news. There was a controversy with respect to our passport, Indian passport, and Lotus was in news for that. Can you
Yes, sir.
explain? Do you know why it was in news and this controversy?
Sir, I think it is a symbol of one national party and it was
Which party?
BJP and it was there on the passport, and I think the opposition raised the demand that it should be removed. That
Why?
passport is a national identity of a person.
But then it is a
should not
national
have-
flower also. Okay.
Okay.
Sir.
Good, we'll call you. Acha, when is your interview?
11th of March.
11th of March.
10 days left, huh?
10
Nine,
days.
10 days.
9 days. Come after 2 minutes.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thanks, sir.
Ashwin,
Yes,
sit
sir.
down. Your interview is on 11th.
Yes, sir.
You are a very good candidate. Are you going to stay here or you'll go back?
No, sir, I'm going to stay here.
You are going to stay here. Now, first thing is don't take too many mocks. If at all, you take only one more after say 1 week. So the current affairs will be more important.
Okay.
Are you going to? You have lined up half a dozen already?
I have lined up 3 mocks.
3 more. Where all?
One is here, one is Vision IS, and one is next.
Here? Here?
Here, as in, not here.
Two more.
No, not today.
Hmm.
First,
Two more.
5th, and then 8th.
Where? Where all?
Vision IS, next IS.
Next IS.
Vision and next. Okay. Now, don't take many more mocks. Huh? Instead, you have to read lot.
Okay, sir.
One is, we didn't for want of time ask you anything on the budget, but you should know. This next week, the Yojana is going to come out with a special number on budget. There will be 9-8 chapters. One on the overall budget, agriculture, deficit financing, gender budgeting, infrastructure, health, education, etc., etc. Okay, go through that. Especially the concepts, deficit financing, this, that, for the FRBM and all that. So there are going to be questions on that. We didn't ask, but it does not. Similarly, the economic survey, first chapter at least you must see. Okay, the major highlights of the economic survey. Are you reading any newspaper?
Yes, sir.
Which paper?
Hindu.
Bus.
Yes, sir.
Now instead you read Indian Express. Indian Express, there is every week they reproduce Economist article on international affairs. Now, for example, Trump visit, I'm sure in the next issue there will be a write-up. India visit. They give a very balanced thing, by and large very balanced. That apart, read one Economic Daily. Economic Daily means Mint or Financial Express or Business Stand, anyone. This you should read seriously. There are all facts and figures, the price of oil which you said, all those things will be discussed, the impact, the exchange rate, whatever it is. All economic issues discussed in the layman's language. So like a newspaper you must read, but with more seriousness, especially the editorial part of it.
Okay.
Okay, so these are very general things. Apart from that, a bit more detail on the Maharashtra. We didn't ask you any statistics, but things like literacy rate, sex ratio, blah, blah, blah. And the Western Ghats, you have that, each part, etc. And Shivaji statue, better check up. You are completely
So
off
I
the
just
mark.
check it.
Why should you answer every question? You don't have to. You see, intellectual honesty is more important. Don't try to be smart. See, the combined experience of ours is more than 140 years. He's a young man, but You got 35 years roughly, each one of us has served in government. So the moment you say something, we can make out. But what is more important, being modest. One can't answer every question. One is not expected to also. But what is more important is that this. Then your hobbies, what were your hobbies?
Maratha history, sir.
Ha! I don't know. Now that you have mentioned, it's all right. We get as if you are a very regionally based person. You read only anything about Maratha, Maratha history and this, that. You should have a general flavor. Any good book is worth reading. You are an engineer after all. Of course, there is nothing wrong in reading Maratha history, but only, you have mentioned only that. And you say, I like to read. That means you don't like to read other things. You know what I mean? Had you mentioned anyway? So, some good Maratha history book you mentioned, maybe of recent, written by some eminent person,
Okay.
very under controversy, but still well known. That will get you this. And then now one thing, this is a mock interview, but a very formal thing. Either you wear a tie and then a suit, or
Yes.
just come with a plain shirt.
Okay, sir.
You can't have this. Are you going to have a suit there?
Yes, sir. Proper
Then you
suit.
better start practicing tie.
बस वो दूसरा शर्ट पहनेंगे
Okay.
नहीं,
ये
shirt तो
अगर और
दूसरा
सूट नहीं है तो
पहनेंगे।
ये भी चल जाएगा
नहीं,
No, no,
इसको
sir.
tie
It
तो
is a proper suit.
अगर दूसरा है तो वो भी ठीक
Or
है
white shirt will
White
go
shirt,
with
yes, sir.
any color.
No, white and black.
हाँ, whatever. Then tie थोड़ा बांध.
Black है, sir.
हाँ, whatever it is. तो बहुत जरूरी है, and बाल वगैरह थोड़ा ठीक कर लेना.
Okay.
So this is what we feel. Anybody want to try?
related with DEF, whatever unexpected questions are
Yeah.
there, starting from your name till up to hobbies. Prepare them well.
Okay, sir.
Current affairs.
There is no depth of time.
And as already been said that it is better to say no rather than giving wrong answer. And many times you say, can I guess? Once it's okay. And instead of using the word guess, it is better to say, sir, though I'm not sure, but it is like this.
Okay, sir.
Can I make an attempt? Guess जरा word अच्छा नहीं लगता है. और वो भी एक बार से ज़्यादा नहीं.
Right.
बार-बार नहीं.
बार-बार नहीं, आपने 3 बार कहा.
Okay, sir.
Can I
And
guess?
so just to add on, basic questions on engineering which can be asked.
Yes. There you are honestly
That
very
will give a
weak.
wrong
Looks.
impression.
अब देखो ये CNG VNG कहना तो ठीक नहीं रहेगा, है ना?
Right.
And you were mentioning about the cost of power and all that, you know. The pricing of power is very important. You said na rural
Yes, sir.
areas.
Yes.
Then there has to be cross subsidization. You know, it's always done. Even railways, everywhere. Cross subsidization is built in any public utility. Otherwise you can't justify. Even postal department, you know, the remote areas, we have a postal fellow going and all that. But then cross subsidization, so that is inevitable. But what is more important is to do away with free power. I wish you could have mentioned that. For example, in Delhi, everybody gets 200 units free. Then 200 to 400, only some 50%, I don't know, something like that. I mean, these are very precious things. At least in major cities and all, you should not give free power. And agriculture is, in Punjab it was found they are using it for watching TV and using for washing machine and all that. Even though it is meant for irrigation.
Right.
Tamil Nadu also, that way they are also guilty. So in the name of, so all these freebies thing, whether it is power or water, it's a very criminal, but then with the elections around it goes on. So there are issues with power plant, but more importantly the pricing of it. The distribution losses is also there. The theft part of it very serious. You know, these are there, and the PLF is very low. Look at the economic survey. It has to be much more. And the quality of coal. So these are issues which the electrical engineer should know. What is the bus bar? No, electrical engineering. Bhaiya, brush up.
कोई नहीं, एक वीक है, मेहनत करो अच्छे से.
Okay.
2 दिन रिलैक्स, 1 दिन रिलैक्स रहना कम से कम. Last.
उसीलिए ज़्यादा पढ़ो rather than mock. Anyway, now that you are lined up, ठीक है. But no more than this 2.
Right.
But where are you staying?
Sir, Old Rajendra Nagar.
But you have got a single room or 3 people in one room?
No, single room, sir.
So you better read, concentrate. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So you want to- No, go ahead.
Ashwin, I would like to reiterate the point because I want to reiterate it. Don't answer all the questions. I mean, don't answer, listen, there will be
Right.
questions which you won't know.
Right.
See, your profile is very good. One thing I noticed was, you are a very handsome man.
Thank you, sir.
But what was missing in this 30 minutes is the smile. That makes
Okay.
it.
Right.
If you are mentally prepared, there are bound to be questions which you will not be able to take. So many of the questions with the permission of the board, he said, can I make a guess? And you did very well. Pandemic and epidemic, for instance. So you beautifully handled those balls. What is missing is that look at this photograph. A handsome young man with a smile. It's a very impressive profile.
Yeah.
An electrical engineer with an MBA from IIM.
Yeah.
Probably what we thought was anxiety was running through. So the anxious expression. Because
Right,
the
sir.
personality test में expression भी it makes a difference.
Right, sir.
You remember?
आप ऐसा दिखाई देने चाहिए इसमें
इसमें से-
ये मतलब
that was missing because you are not able to. So many of the answers were brilliant also. Like for instance,
Yeah.
chairman asked you deliberately to put you off. You're chauvinist. I also added a word, regional chauvinistic, deliberately to provoke you. And I thought you handled it very well. You lit it up. No, sir, when I'm reading up something regional, it reinforces my nationalism, patriotism. That was a brilliant answer. Nothing to exceed that. Is it? So many of the answers were absolutely brilliant. But because you were anxious, one or two questions, electronics and electricity, when you are not able to, then the board was a little taken aback. Let it go. Because what you don't even know, that is only the pressure. But then you must retain your assurance,
Right, sir.
retain the smell, and then let it pause. There you took the question, epidemic, pandemic, you guessed and brilliantly guessed. But you know what you do not know. Don't dwell on what you don't know.
Right.
Areas of ignorance.
Right.
Let it be there. And but when you said from it is 19%, but it should be 90, that was a very unrealistic
Yes.
jump. So you should not give an impression. He is a young man, very, I mean, aspirational, all right.
Yeah.
From 90 to 90 was not very realistic. And then when you repeated the Agricultural Commission, of course, it's a recommendation by the
Niti Aayog.
Swaminathan Committee.
Okay.
You could have mentioned this. So as I would like to endorse, or I would like to subscribe that kind of thing. You could,
And if
there is
you-
little pressure, sir.
Yeah, if you say the next 5 years our attempt should be to reach 90%, then it makes some sense. You know, because these are not that easy.
And you said at least 90.
Yeah.
As if it's a very modest term.
That's why I said why not 100, you know.
There's small blips here and there, otherwise
Because-
very brilliant answers. This is what it is. After all, in cricket terminology, a few balls, if you convert them to sixes, you are the top scorer.
That's true.
You are on the top with a little self assurance, and on your basic discipline, electronics, I'm saying electrical engineer. These are the certain areas, all regular areas.
Do you watch
Chef almost
cricket?
said,
Do you watch
Yes, sir.
cricket?
I watch cricket.
We are doing very badly, no?
Yes, sir.
Why? What's happening? Trying to hit 6, is it?
Sir, I think we need to first inspect this pitch because the pitch conditions are slightly tricky there in New Zealand.
No, they are bound to be different. When they come here, they also find it different, no? Our batting, the batting order has changed, no? Every now and then some new batsmen, openers especially, and even third and fourth places,
Yes,
apart
sir.
from Kohli, the rest. Anyway, very good. So all the very best. Last, do you want to ask us anything?
No, any question?
Sir, I guess I'm not justifying anything, but I did my electrical engineering in 2012.
No, that is
ऐसा
not
कहना मत,
explanation.
ऐसा कहना कोई बात नहीं, आंसर नहीं आता है कोई बात नहीं. देखिए आपको क्या है कि प्रैक्टिकल जो भी उसका
Yeah.
एप्लीकेबल एस्पेक्ट होगा वो
Yeah.
उसी टाइप के क्वेश्चन
We are asking
ये
you
मत कहना.
very basic thing. So I am not an engineer. None of us are that, but I think.
None of
I am not an engineer.
आप ही हैं.
Oh, okay. The point is.
मतलब ये
they
ऐसी
are asking
चीजें
a
हैं
loaded
कि जो
question.
कि औरों को भी पता होनी चाहिए कि कैसे
Layman saying
क्या है
electrical,
दिल्ली की,
electronic,
वंदे
what is the
भारत क्या है,
bus
कहाँ
bar,
चल रही है,
what is the
क्या-
PLR. These are very normal things. What are the major reasons?
लेकिन ये मत कहना कि मैं भूल गया इतने साल पहले किया, ये बोलना मत. कोई
You
बात
know,
नहीं,
so
नहीं
I-
पता.
I should
At least a basic linkage with the current scenario.
Yes.
Like, how is the
And then
charging
the
technology
definition
improving,
wise you
phones
should be very
improving.
clear.
No, these interviews only help you identify the areas where you need to work. That's all. Don't let it disturb your.
And your worst answer is you are given now, saying you passed out in 2012. Arre,
Ah.
this is
ये सब तो
not-
बिल्कुल
then
नहीं
better
करना।
don't think of all
गलत।
this. Do something else. You know.
गेस वर्क जब तक 90% श्योर नहीं है तब तक नहीं करना है।
Okay.
So, Ashwin, you are very good. You are already on 150 that line.
No, yeah,
Your
170
potential is
you can
180.
go. Yes.
Minimum. So,
Correct.
and your strengths are your strength. You know your area strength. These are all helping you.
But your father is also engineer, no?
Yes, sir.
What engineer he is?
Mechanical engineers.
Mechanical. So all the more is electrical mechanical fairly close. You know. So ठीक है.
So, video देख लीजिए.
Hmm.
Work on those areas
And we didn't ask you on EV, but EV also you should know. Okay.